Okay folks, we're back. We have let the tractor do its gravity work. We picked up part of the hitch and I think we made progress. So we're gonna let it down and we'll see if that straightened the pole out or not. If not, I do have a plan B. That will not be today, but it will be for another time. But it's gonna get loud for a second, but yeah, we'll see what happens.
It's sitting on this now, right?
Yep, it wasn't before. I mean, it could. I honestly think I might raise it up one more time and see what happens. But we've made progress for sure. I got it more than halfway back. But yeah, if you don't mind guiding me in one more time, I'll raise it back up.
All right.
This kind of just let gravity take its course again, but we did make progress. I think it'll be close enough for government work when we're done. But we will keep you informed. We have back seat left to do, and then water to hit. Thanks for watching.